Haha. Bon Bon took him back. There's a log in the road. Careful, monkey. Oh my goodness. Now he can grab the tomatoes for his pizza. They're gone. And that made him angry. But now Bon Bon has everything for his pizza. Bees? Oh my goodness!